Guys, it's me, Gargangi, and we're gonna be playing with Flippin' Funny. It's gonna be fun. And actually, we're gonna do our first video in Africa, and tomorrow we're going to the Indian Ocean, and that's cool. And we're gonna be playing Subway Surfers today. Yes, it's cool. Damn. I like that. Top run. No. Name hunting. Run and spell what's tricky. No. Weekly top score race. I already got the bronze. I'm in my Facebook account. Okay. Meep City. Okay, so we're gonna play. Since when was the police officer Indian? Okay, I'm just gonna run. I feel weird because the police officer is Indian.
Are you racist?
No, I'm not racist. You just probably heard Flippin' Funny's voice. I'm not racist. It's just the police officer is always Canadian. Like in the normal game, the police officer has a black suit. And I didn't die yet. I'm gonna try to get up to 1,000 money.
I thought it was coins.
1,000 coins, yes. I don't think if you hear Flippin' Funny's voice, he said 1,000 coins rather. Cause if you can't hear him, then I just know, cause he's far away from the tablet, the game. Okay. I have to get 10 of those birds. Jump. No. Wow. I died on 7 coins. Pause. Okay, let's see, and then you can do